business. Myself Akhil.
This is a Windows 10 tutorial on an upcoming change for Windows 10. In this video, I am going to tell you all how you can enable Windows 10 reserve storage, and I will take help of a feedback hub quest to show how this can be done. So let's start this video. But before I start, if you have not subscribed to my channel, do it now and do share my videos with others as well. As I said, I am going to do it with the help of a quest from Feedback Hub. I did all this during the Windows 10 Bug Bash January 2019. Let's open Feedback Hub and look for the Reserve Storage quest. These all are January Bug Bash quests. Now I am on Enable Reserve Storage quest. Let's have this open and also open Registry Editor, which is also required to complete this tutorial. Go to search bar, which is now separated from Cortana, and search for Registry Editor. Let's manage and put both of them alongside each other so that you can also view the steps required for enabling reserve storage. Firstly, your device must have Windows 10 Insider Preview Build 18298 or greater. So if you have not updated your device yet, go ahead and update it first. Once you open Registry Editor, if you are prompted, select yes to allow the app to make changes to your device. Once Registry Editor is open, look for HK_local_machine and under that software, and then look for Microsoft, furthermore Windows current version, and then Reserve Manager. Right click on Shift with Reserves to make edit to its value. Update the value to 1 and save it. Now you are done with enabling Windows 10 reserve storage. Once you update your device to next build, you will be able to see reserve storage under storage setting. I had updated my device to next build, so let me show you all how you can check if reserve storage is enabled or not. You can also watch my separate video on that. The link is available in description of this video as well YouTube cards. Go to Settings, System, and then click on Storage. Under that, go down and click on Show More Categories. On top, you will see System and Reserved. Click on that, and under that, you will be able to see Reserved Storage, System File, Virtual Memory, as well as Hibernation File options. You can know more about Reserved Storage by clicking on Learn about how storage reserve works. This is what I had for you all in this Windows 10 tutorial video. Thanks for watching. Do share in comments what you want me to cover in my next video, and I will try and make a video on that. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Thanks for watching.
Let's start with the unboxing of this MVP kit. Let's see what's inside and what Microsoft has sent. Windows Insider MVP.
Windows 10 is finally here. Incredible day, incredible time. And obviously we are back on the roll. Microsoft's got the mojo back.
It's a dramatic launch for Microsoft, as you would know.
Great start. We've been waiting for this to happen. This looks really good. It was almost got me the feeling I'm walking into CES abroad, into the Microsoft, campus or platform. So very nicely done, very slick inside. Exactly what Windows 10 should be.
As you all know, I am a Windows Insider and I love Microsoft. I made a video unboxing of a Windows Insider MVP kit, and most of you wanted to know how you can also become a Windows Insider MVP. But before becoming a Windows Insider MVP, you need to be a Windows Insider first. So in this video, I will tell you all how you can become a Windows Insider and get latest of Windows Insider.